Hi, my name is Zip Giss with WeBuildOnYourLand.com. At WeBuildOnYourLand.com, we help you sell property, buy property, build new or build custom. We're a full-service real estate firm. In fact, we're growing. We've started a division called Real Solutions. At Real Solutions, we help you with the following: facing foreclosure, relocation or transfer, divorce, downsizing, death in the family, liquidating assets, inherited property, mortgage term issues, job loss, and many more. We pay cash for your home as is. Fast closing in any condition. Let us help you. Feel free to call me at 830-542-8408. Let's see if we can come up with the solution. You can visit us at realsolutionshome.com. And you can always visit us at WeBuildOnYourLand.com. Thank you for your time.